Hey guys, it's your girl Brooke, back again with another YouTube video for us today. So I'm going to be doing a football makeup video today, obviously if you saw by the title. My last one was about 3 years ago, from October 9th, so not yet, but it's going to be 3 years. I created a football makeup video when I was about like 11 or 10 or something, and that video is the highest views on my channel. So I know what you're thinking, oh my god, you're doing it for views? Well, of course. I'm kidding. No, but I'm really doing it again because obviously you guys liked it, and I have so many other ideas from that. So it's 2018, and I'm going to be doing football makeup videos. So keep on watching if you need more video makeup inspiring looks, and please subscribe and like this video. Comment down below what you liked and if you're going to be doing any of these, and then what your school colors are. Mine are purple and gold. Yeah, without further ado, all you're going to be needing is acrylic paint that is hoping non-toxic, because obviously that is, you don't want to get toxic, because I don't really need to explain this. Confetti, any kind of color. I got black because some people said their school was just black. My soul. And then glitter. You can use any type of glitter. It doesn't matter unless you like are sensitive to skin. I prefer dry glitter. I don't know if there's like any type of really pigmented non-dry glitter. And you're gonna need some type of like oil and stuff. You can have tree oil, rose oil, coconut oil. I don't even care what kind of oil. It doesn't matter of your skin type. I'm taking rose oil today. So yeah, and with that rose oil, I'm taking some drops and putting it in a little container. It doesn't matter where you're doing it, or you can just put it on your skin, which I'm going to do a little bit of that. Taking the glitter. This one is inspired by Whoop Whoop. Comment his color, his or hers, sorry, is gold and red. I'm taking the gold color right there and mixing it together. Now I'm taking it on my finger like this, and I'm going to be doing a highlight. So you just, that's how pigmented it is. Take it and you go. It's basically, okay, you don't want to do it that high up, but it's supposed to act as like a highlighter look. You can go up here too, it doesn't even matter. Like that. Okay, and then on the other side I'll be doing gold. Oh no, wow, the other side I'll be doing red. Problem, I cannot open this red at all, so I'm so sorry. Whoop whoop. I'm gonna be taking some blue. I just poured it in this container because it was already in that container when I found it. This is a different consistency, so it doesn't come up as well, as good at least. This is the first look. Now you can do it all shapes, all sizes. You don't have to go like right here. You can go like down, up, anywhere you want. I just feel like glitter looks really good in pictures. So if you're feeling like taking pictures that day, then do it. Honestly, I'm shook of how like shiny it is though. Next one. The next one is this kind of tiger claw down your face. So you're going to be taking a color. So I read that there was a red, white, and blue person with their colors, which and that's very convenient. So I got red, white, and blue right here, and I'm going to be putting some on this little thing. Again, paper plates, anywhere, your back of your hand, anywhere. I apologize if you hear any noise in the background. My family's awake. So the last time I did it, I didn't take anything. So I'm taking rose oil and dropping it into the acrylic paint because it just gives you better for your skin instead of clogging your pores so much. So after I take that, I kind of work it in there beat it all up. I'm kidding. Okay, so it looks like they just did strips, but I'm gonna take my pinky and go. I'm so sorry for all the noise in the background. My dog just got stung by a bee. Weirder than that is. Yes, I make my face like that. It's really patchy. Can't do drip, drip, drip. Last color is red, obviously. Like that. I messed up on the white. I feel like the white is not a good color to like put on your face because it always messes it up. Yeah, but that is it for the second look. Now on to, this is our last normal look before we go on to the two big finale looks. So the first, the last one is this funfetti one. I could only, oh, I messed up. Alright, this one is kind of difficult. So you have to find, you can take any funfetti you want, any color, anything. So you can either use eyelash glue, which would be the best choice for your skin, or school glue. Since it's non-toxic, you can use school glue, because I use it on my eyebrows for some random makeup tutorial I do. So I'm sitting here editing it, and I'm just going to say off of everything that happened in this video, don't use school glue. It's good for like disappearing your eyebrow and stuff, but it did not work whatsoever for sticking stuff on your face. So stick to eyelash glue. It worked so much better. And I forget to say that, so yeah. I'm done with the confetti, and I know it looks kind of weird, but now I'm going to be doing a school color in my lips. So I'm taking this really cute blue because, you know, it's a really cute blue. It has been open, so. Oh, God. It dries not that fast, but it looks dope. This also part, I didn't have like an idea really for this, but then I did something new by taking the confetti off, so this is the clip going to it, you know, because I didn't really say it because I'm dumb. Alright, so I'm taking a really cheap sponge I got from the dollar store, and I'm going in and tapping it on the edges of my face to make it look like I got School Spirit. In my hair, all the way around. This is a really bold choice, but you can do it either way. You can do confetti. Alright, so I try to come up with creative looks, so comment down below if you already know this one. But basically you take your hand and you put it on like a handprint. So I'm going to be doing that. Taking yellow. So if your school colors is yellow, comment down below that. Now I don't want this in my hair because I just got it colored today. So I'm going to take a clip. Alright, so basically take a knob swatch of your hand and I'm going to rub it all over it. Basically you stamp it on. You could probably do a better job than I did, obviously, because I did not get a good job. But you probably could, so I believe in you. And I'm not going to retry this because that is a lot of paint in my hand and I don't feel like getting a ton of acne. I didn't say this in the video, but this one is based off of James Charles' blank canvas. So I'm doing basically the colors on the drip and then the original. So yeah, I think it's dope. So do half your makeup up perfectly. I don't care what you do, like your routine and stuff, it doesn't matter. So I'm just going in with foundation. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Finish Foundation. Pretty freaking good if you ask me. Taking the pink and I'm going from kind of my ear and swiveling it up to my nose. Going up and over my nose. I keep on over exaggerating my nose. And then over. Now, looking like a crazy lady, going in. I'm trying not to spit, I'm so sorry. So now going in with the blue, and I'm gonna just go drip drip. Okay. Hopefully I do this right. That is it for the last look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to get a big like and comment down below if you're using any of these. And sorry that it's a little bit more crazier than last time. I know the last time it was just dot, dot, dot. Well, this time it's bigger. So hope you guys liked it. And hopefully I don't look so scary. And it's really itchy right here. You ever feel like you have an itch when there's something important going on? I hate that. So hope you guys liked it. Peace, love you guys. Bye.